Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Respected ulama ikram and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. On this auspicious occasion, I am going to deliver my topic is about glorious past of Muslims. Dear listeners, I am going to back your glorious past. Mr. President, the entire world knows that this world was under the position of Muslims Ummah. History bears that during the Ottoman Empire ruled for about 600 years. No force was able to compete them or unable to face them. So dear listeners, they were developed economically, scientifically, culturally, and all walks of life. But the point to be noted is that what held them so high? What was the secret of their success? Because they were united, they had the rule of Allah Almighty. They had firm faith and would believe that no force could defeat them or able to face them. So dear listeners, as long as they follow the teaching of Islam. But today, when I observe the current situation of Muslims, my eyes flutter and ask me, what caused it to be drawn out of light into the darkness? What took us from rise to fall? Is it the conspiracy of Jewish American international propaganda of Islamophobia? Or we ourselves have done all of these harms? Regretfully, I have to say that we prefer our enemies, their traditions, their civilization, and in our whole lifestyle. Allah Almighty will not change the condition of those people until they have changed in our themselves. So we have a golden chance. We have left the roof of Allah Almighty once again. I believe our efforts can be fruitful and make this world a heaven again. Dear listeners, when I look to you, I see something in you, and I know that you are the one who can take Ummah to where it was. Thanks. Wassalam.